Veterans have this fantastic opportunity to refinance their current mortgages or perhaps even do a purchase with a VA loan. And what's so amazing about a VA loan is the ability when you purchase a house is to put zero down. So that's fantastic. You can finance up to 100% of the value of the house. It makes it for a very streamlined process. It's typically quicker and easier for a vet to qualify. The credit requirements aren't as strict on a VA loan, so that's kind of one of the major benefits to it. Beyond that, there's no private mortgage insurance on a VA loan. The ability to finance 100% on a cash out refinance is phenomenal. You can pay off debt, credit cards, take care of your kids' college education. You can basically pull the amount of equity that you need from your house to take care of whatever you need to do at the house. So that's kind of one of the benefits for a VA cash out refinance. There's also a refinance that's called an IRRRL, where you just basically are dropping the interest rate for a client. If a client has a higher rate, there's a process that they go through on an application so that they can refinance the house and drop the interest rate. It's called a VA IRRRL. It's a fantastic program. A lot of people use it. For example, I have a couple of clients that are currently working with right now. Actually, one this morning that we went over his structure yesterday. He has a family, a few kids, and they are currently in college, so there's a lot of expenses that are coming up. He also has racked up quite a few credit cards and some installment loans. And he called me to say, hey, Harry, what can you do to give me some payment relief? I really need to restructure my existing life and try to put myself in a better position. So yesterday when I qualified his loan, I walked him through, well, what we could pay off. And basically after the application was done, he talked to me last night and we were saving him about $900 per month. Now he's going to take that payment savings and he's going to use some of it to get some debt relief right away. But the other percentage of that money, $300-400, he's going to do something called principal acceleration. He's going to basically pay down his mortgage faster. And that's a really fantastic program, and a lot of vets don't know about that. If people have interest, they should just call us and kind of talk about principal acceleration. It can be done on any loan, and it works fantastic to help reduce the amount of term on a loan. So who qualifies, right? That's always a question that vets ask, and sometimes there's a lot of questions specifically on, I've served my country. I'm not really sure what the guidelines are for that, so maybe I can talk to that a little bit. So if you've served 90 consecutive days of active duty in wartime, you'd probably qualify. Or if you've served 181 days of active service during peacetime, you would probably also qualify. Additional to that, the VA allows for if a vet has had more than 6 years of service in the National Guard or the Reserves, or if you're a spouse of a service member who tragically died in service, they may also qualify.